What's up, kid? Here we are in Lexington, Kentucky at the Embassy Suites by Hilton Lexington Green, room 605. Let's take a tour. So Embassy Suites, obviously we have a suite. So the living room area here does have a sleeper sofa right in there. Looks like that's a double. Have not sat on the couch, but actually looks old, but it actually looks kind of comfy. Desk area has a light right here. No other outlets. I'm guessing underneath we got one. Yep, we got an outlet underneath there. And then we have outlets over here on the side, so you can make that reach easily. TV. So I'll start off with looking at this. TV is a good size, but the quality of the stuff is not awesome. The picture's not great. But yeah, it is whatever. So plenty of seating area here. Check out the Keurig. We also have a microwave. I'm gonna guess a mini fridge. Yep, we have a mini fridge. So I'll have some drinks in there. Also have a bunch of snacks and drinks. So that does come with the room. So you can see here assorted premium hot beverages, premium Wi-Fi, snacks, water, cold drinks replenished daily. Yeah, so Twix and Hershey's with almonds and Skittles and trail mix and a cookie, pretzels, chili cheese Fritos, Lay's, Parmesan and herb garlic chips, popcorn, waters, drinks, coffees and teas, a little bit of everything there. So going into the bedroom, actually let's take a left here into the bathroom. So hand wash and body lotion, the Gardeners, whatever that is. So makeup remover and Q-tips. So this is a shower, no tub, but looks like a decent shower space. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, same brand. We do have a shower head. That shower head's sitting at about 6 feet tall. Maybe not even that. Actually, probably like 5'10", 5'11". So definitely not built for tall people. A little bit of cosmetic stuff there, but good space. If you listen, fan is not blowing anything, so, or sucking anything, whatever you want to call it. So fan does not work. Here you go. We have the ironing board, hangers, bedding. There is an in-room safe right there. Here are the second TV. So this is HBO. Once again, the picture quality not great. What I thought was funny though was the TV is turned off by this switch here. So if you wanted the TV on, you got to turn that on. I thought the TV was broke. So behind there, TV is easy to get access to. Although, let me go over here to this other side. This is where we'd see the access. Yeah, so HDMI and a USB-A plug there, so you can make that happen easily. This side of the bed, we do have outlets on either side of this lamp. Over here, we have outlets on the alarm clock, so plenty of outlets there. Does this... That's kind of weird. So this switch also handles that lamp in addition to this lamp and the TV. But there's a light on there. So I guess I'd have to keep the room darker. I would have to just turn everything off manually. Yeah, whatever. We do have the thermostat here before we take a look outside. So let's turn that guy down. I don't want heat. Let's go cool. Fan on. Let's turn that down. There we go. All right. So let's take a look outside. So we can see here the Joseph Beth Booksellers, Palmer's Restaurant. Over there, you can kind of see the cafe. Joseph, maybe? I don't know. Across the street, we have a Best Buy. There is also a Academy Sports. There's a Main Event down over here. There's a shopping mall off in the distance over there. But, yeah, it's just kind of suburban heaven with all the stores and whatever. So, there you have it. This is the Embassy Suites by Hilton, Lexington Green. So, until next time.